As a woman in an industry traditionally led by men at the top, I think I relied on my personal strengths of conviction, confidence, the willingness to grow those extra hours to make a breakthrough, to create this niche and place for myself. Small steps by each of us go a long way for all of us.
Yes, there were challenges, a lot of challenges, but took them as opportunities. My mantras for success has always been confidence, determination, and a must-have work-life balance.
Becoming a mother has undoubtedly shaped my approach as a trainer. I feel it has taught me and infused my role with a lot of patience, deep understanding of individuals, and empathy. Motherhood has also taught me effective communication, which I find has been extremely helpful for me in my current role for Kama Ayurveda.
Managing work-life balance required intentional support and effort from both home and work front. Their understanding and flexibility enables me to manage the time effectively and lead with confidence.